Good morning, dear students. Today I will start chapter 16, Water, a Precious Resource. Water, a precious resource. So yesterday I told you water occurs in two forms, that is the surface water and underground water. Surface water is present on the surface of earth and underground water present inside the earth. Fresh water is present in both these forms, surface as well as the underground water, and the ground and surface water available two comes from the rainfall and snow. Rainfall is a major source, and water that is condensed from water vapor in the atmosphere and falls as drops on the earth is called the rainwater or rainfall. And rainwater is the purest form of water, and as it falls through the atmosphere it collects gases, smoke and dust from the factories, and thus may not remain pure. Some of the water that falls during rainfall is lost off as runoff, and this water enters the rivers and oceans, and the remaining water seeps into the ground through the soil and reaches to the hard rock, collecting there as water table. Ocean water. About 70% of the earth's surface is covered by oceans, and these oceans contain about 97.4% of the earth's surface. And underground water. Water that seeps into the ground and is available as underground water is called the groundwater. And groundwater is usually pure as it passes through the soil, which acts as a natural filter. Groundwater is used for both drinking and irrigation purposes, and drinking water is mainly obtained in India from wells and springs. And in case of wells, it is important that the water for drinking purposes is obtained from deeper layers. So what is the mineral water? Mineral water is often called the spring water, and it contains dissolved minerals from the surrounding rocks. And the flow of water in the form of natural fountains from the earth's surface, that is called the spring. Spring and mineral water. Mineral water. Some oral questions given, you have to do with yourself. How much percent of our body is made up of water, and which of the day every year is celebrated as the World Water Day? Name the two forms of water found on the surface of earth, and the sea water is salty to taste. Why? Depletion of water table. Factors responsible for depleting water table, lowering of water table are many, like excessive use due to increasing population and increase in industrial activities, agricultural needs, poor rainfall, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of trees, and water crisis and rainfall. You all know that water crisis is more serious when the monsoon falls and drought hits most parts of the country. So there is a problem of misuse of water by people and the problem of water pollution. So pollution of water makes it unfit for drinking. So water, how much water is needed for agriculture? Agriculture sector is major user of water at a global level, and percentage of water used for different purposes as is follows. Agriculture 70%, industry 25%, domestic use 5%, agriculture 90%, and it varies from country to country. Agriculture in India, agriculture 90%, industry 7%, and domestic use 3%. Conservation of natural resources, that is the water. Conservation is the wise and judicious use of resources, and misuse of wastage of this precious resources is to be avoided. Save water campaigning are needed to be people aware to dangers of water scarcity. Some conservation steps. diverting water from surplus area to regions of scarcity, and controlling floods by interlinking of rivers, and treating domestic and municipal wastage water to make it fit for industry and agriculture, harvesting of rainwater, using water conservation devices in agriculture such as sprinkle irrigation, making bunds along hill slopes, constructing reservoirs and dams, using water saving steps in houses such as using a broom and wet pocha rather than free water for cleaning courtyards and driveways, using harvesting of rainwater from rooftops, avoiding bath under a running shower or a bathtub, instead using a bucket with a mug, avoiding shaving and brushing teeth with a running tap, avoiding cleaning of furnaces with a running tap, using a smaller cistern in toilets to avoid extra water loss during flushing, repair leaking pipelines, avoid overflowing taps. Effect of water scarcity on plants. So you have observed that in some areas there are very large number of trees and other plants, while in other the plants may be sparsely distributed by. You can relate the difference to the availability of water in these areas, and also you may observe in the gardens that the plants often start dropping down if they do not get water for a few days. What will happen if water is not available for plants to grow? What is the rainwater harvesting? You know that in simple terms we are telling that rainwater harvesting is a method of direct collection of rainwater from the rooftops of buildings, and it can be done on the rooftop of our houses as well as the industries. So the rainwater collects can be stored for direct use or can be allowed to reach the groundwater, and once the water reaches the groundwater, water table is raised, and rainwater harvesting is the solution to the problem of depleting groundwater. Some oral questions are given and keywords that what is the groundwater? Water present inside the earth as well as in the wells and in springs. Surface water, water present on the surface of the earth in lakes, rivers, streams or oceans. Rainwater harvesting, collection of rainwater from the rooftops of buildings. Water table, topmost level of underground water. And water is the most essential components of life. So only 2.6% of the total water resources of the world consist of fresh water and is known as the usable water. And in the natural, water exists in two forms, that is the surface water and the underground water. Rainfall is the major source of surface and groundwater, and maximum use of water is in agriculture for growing crops, and conservation of water requires its wise and judicious use and also avoiding its wastage or misuse. So rainwater harvesting can be done to increase the level of water table. So this is all about chapter 16, water as precious resource. You will take revision of this chapter, and in this you will learn about the introduction, how much water is available and forms of water available in nature, and the surface water, underground water, depletion of water table, water crisis and rainfall, water needed for agriculture, conservation of natural resources, that is the water, and some conservation steps, what is the rainwater harvesting, and effects of water scarcity on plants. So you will take a revision of this chapter. I have completed chapter 5, acid, bases and salts, and chapter 11, transportation in plants and animals, reproduction in plants, and water as a precious resource. So 11, transportation in plants and animals, reproduction in plants. You have, and this chapter 5, acid, bases and salts, I have given question answer also these, so you have to write in copy, and after that water as a precious resource, you have to you will take revision, and when I will give the question answer you have to complete and you have to write down in your copy. And only one chapter is remaining, electric current and its effect. This one also I will complete and you will take revision of this chapter. So chapter 11, 12 and 5 I have completed. 16 is going on, and you will take revision of 16, water as a precious resource. And what I given question answers you have to complete in your copy. So this is all about chapter 16.